Now coming to the Python as a programming language, you come across different programming languages, right? So you would have started with C programming, then Java, then those who are into web development, you would have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or PHP. So Python is one of the programming language which is very easy to program compared to other programming language. And it's an object-oriented programming language. So the programming languages like Java, Python, C++ are all object-oriented programming languages where the real world scenario is mapped to an object and the interaction between the objects. And this is similar to Perl, and it has the powerful typing and the object-oriented features. And when we write a program in Python, the extension is .py, and there are different extensions we can go with like .pyc and .pyo, so which is optimized to run in an environment. And Python is really good for the text processing, and it has built-in advanced data types like list and dictionaries, which would help us to develop complex programs. And it could be used to develop the web application by learning some other libraries in addition to Python. There are different implementations of Python. So when we download the Python, usually the Python which is downloaded is called as the C Python, which is the default implementation of the Python using the C programming language. So it is written in C, that's why this is called as the C Python. There are different implementations of Python. PyPy is one of the such implementation which is faster compared to C Python. And there are different implementation like IronPython, which is the Python running on .NET, and also Jython, which is the Python running on JVM. And there are other versions of Python called MicroPython, where the Python is running on the microcontroller, so we can use it for use it in Internet of Things, MicroPython. And as Internet of Things, the devices are very small, so the size of the Python is very less here when you compare to the regular Python installations. And we will be using a specific Python distribution called as the Anaconda Python. There are different even distributions of the Python available. So the one which we would be using is the Anaconda Python. Broadly, the different programming languages are classified into three types. The one which are compiled, the other programming languages which are interpreted, and few of the programming languages are hybrid, which is compiled as well as interpreted. Programming languages like C, C++, Objective-C, where this, if once you write the source code, it is compiled using a compiler. The compiler reads the source code from line 1 to line n, and it's converted into a executable. So here the compiler reads everything in the programming in that particular program before it throws an error. Whereas interpreted programming languages like PHP and JavaScript, where the interpreter reads line by line. It is going to read the program line by line and it is going to execute. It reads one line, executes, reads the another line, executes. That is called as the interpreted. And there are set of programming languages like Java, C Sharp, VB.NET and Python, which are hybrid because compiled programs are typically faster. Hybrid programs are easy to debug because you are reading a line by line program and executing it. If at all any problem is there in a specific line, it throws the error. Unless compiled is like it is going to read the entire program and then it is going to throw the error. So to make the best use of it, these programming languages uses the hybrid approach. So both